Hi everyone, this is Russell Lowe speaking, and as you can see, this part of the video tutorial is sped up. It's sped up actually 3 times faster than it was. So this is about maybe 12 minutes sped up to 4 minutes. So 12 minutes of real time. And the reason why I've sped it up is because, as you'll see, I'm doing the same thing over and over again. I'm creating a new component, and I'm then giving it a name. As you can see, I'm doing that now. And then in this case, I selected a face and then started a new sketch. But you can either say start a new sketch and then select a face, or select a face and start a sketch. It's up to you. So I'll let the speed take over now, and I'll come back to you once it's complete. So there we have it. The same operation multiple times. You saw a couple of times I went back and edited the feature. On one occasion, I double-clicked on the title here to change it from top, lower to middle, which makes a little bit more sense. And what else did I do that was sort of unusual? Really, the key to making this fast was lining these things up with each other, so it made it easy to see, because when it's transparent, as you can imagine, as you were watching, it's a little bit hard to see certain things. And the other thing that made a huge difference was setting my grid settings to fixed and 3mm, and making sure that it snapped to them. And this move, I didn't need to move much around, mainly because it snapped at the right when I wanted to, where I wanted it to. So that made things very quick. Overall, it's taken me about sort of maybe 20 minutes to make the whole thing. It'll take you longer the first time you do it, but believe me, if you did it a second time, you'd be a lot quicker. I know this because I have. Okay, so in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to split this thing apart and lay it out flat. And I might show you a couple other things too, like make it explode and stuff like that too, which is kind of interesting to see. Okay, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.